Hi everyone, we are so excited to share with you our amazing vacation in Switzerland, where we were inspired by the beautiful nature and the culinary food. Switzerland is a landlocked country in Central Europe, famous for its mountain, lakes, cheese, chocolates, and watches. One of the highlights of our trip was the delicious dish of veal in cream sauce with Rosti. This is a traditional Swiss dish that is originated in the canton of Zurich. It consists of tender pieces of veal cooked in a rich and creamy sauce, flavored with white wine, lemon juice, and fresh herbs. Rosti is a crispy potato pancake that is grated, seasoned, and fried in butter, and is often served as a side dish. We will create these delicious dishes in our home kitchen.
Lost track of the forest through the trees, forgot what I was chasing. Spent so many nights living out at sea that my heart is gone vacant. And everybody who was close to me all stayed on dry land. So now I'm driving back on Interstate West, I just gotta feel something. Not gonna wait till the morning, because something's gonna change my mind. I don't wanna change my mind. Oh, I wanna stay right here, chilling with my friends for another year. Away from the spotlight,